What is a project baseline for evaluating changes? Imagine trying to hit a moving target without knowing where you started. That's where a project baseline comes into play. It's like a detailed map created during the planning stage that shows the original scope, schedule, and budget of a project. This map is approved by stakeholders and becomes the standard to measure progress. When the project is underway, the baseline helps project managers see if they are on track or if things are drifting away. In project execution and control, especially when managing changes, the baseline is essential. It provides a clear picture of what was initially planned versus what is actually happening. If there's a delay in a task or a cost overrun, the baseline helps determine how big the deviation is. For example, if a task was scheduled to finish in 10 days but takes 12, the baseline shows the original timeline. If costs are higher than planned, the baseline highlights the difference. The baseline isn't just one number. It includes three main parts. The scope baseline defines what work should be done and what deliverables are expected. If the scope changes, it's compared against this to see if approval is needed. The schedule baseline shows the planned timeline for each task. Any delays or early completions are measured against this. The cost baseline details the budget for each part of the project. If costs go over or under, the baseline helps identify those variances. Once set during planning, the baseline should stay stable unless there are significant reasons to change it. When big changes happen, like a major delay, scope modification, or budget increase, a formal process called change control is used to update the baseline. This process involves reviewing the change, getting approval from stakeholders, and then adjusting the baseline accordingly. This way, the project's history remains accurate, and future performance can be tracked properly. Project managers use the baseline as a reference point for regular check-ins. They compare actual progress to the baseline, spot variances early, and decide if corrective actions are needed. If a change is approved, the baseline is updated to reflect the new plan. This keeps everyone on the same page and helps ensure the project stays on track. In short, a project baseline is the foundation for evaluating any changes. It helps project managers see how far they've come, where they need to go, and whether adjustments are necessary. Properly managing the baseline means better control, clearer decision-making, and a higher chance of completing the project successfully, on time, and within budget.